It's on drugs.
Is it?
It's on crack. It's on crack. It's got a crack pipe. They found a crack pipe. They tried to stab the person with a crack pipe.
I don't know the meaning of crack. What's it?
Crack.
Crack?
Cocaine.
Is that right? How did they understand that he's saying that? He's involved with that?
He had a crack. He had the pipe.
Huh?
He had the pipe.
He had the pipe.
Do you know the pipe? Smoking.
Yeah, they understood and they are...
No, he had it on him.
What? They did it here, right?
No, he's...
They found out that so many people are like that. He's not the only one.
There's only no need to arrest him. He's got... There's another crack.
Why they don't want to take him immediately? Wow.
They tried to taser him as well.
I'm sorry?
They pulled out their tasers as well. Do you know the taser?
No, they have to take him immediately to the court, to the prison or,
What am I supposed to?
Jack, let's wait by the back just in case all of us are playing at the same time.
I think we all walk after us.
Yeah. Well, hopefully.
that bag is his bag, right, over there.
I was watching the whole thing.
And that was that?
I was watching the whole thing.
Police are going now, mate. Don't lose your bag. Police are going now. Well, these are my boys. Oh, that's my lads. They're having a game Ganguly. Hey! Hey! No. You're not having it back. It's been legally seized off of you, sir.
I've been watching the whole thing, bro, and it's fucking... I've never seen anything like this in my fucking life. He wants his crack pipe. He wants his crack pipe off of him. That's what he wants. That's what he said.